Sneeze, germs gone wild. A single sneeze can launch at 100 miles per hour, propelling over 100,000 germs across a room in an instant. It's like a mini biological explosion. Picture this: you're in a crowded space, someone sneezes, and suddenly, an invisible cloud of germs travels faster than a speeding car. These tiny invaders can linger in the air, landing on surfaces and finding their way to new hosts. It's not just gross, it's a powerful reminder of how easily viruses can spread. Next time you feel that tickle in your nose, remember the incredible force behind a sneeze and the microscopic chaos it can unleash.